Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve math problem 7. It's about two taxis. Now let's read the text. Easy Rider taxi service charges a pickup fee of $2 and $1.25 for each mile. Luxury Lima taxi service charges a pickup fee of $3.25 and $1 per mile. How many miles need to be driven for both services to cost the same amount? The first step is model. Easy Rider taxi, the starting cost is $2. It costs us $1.25 for each mile. Next, Luxury Lima taxi. The starting cost is $3.25. It costs us $1 for each mile. Step 2. We need to find how many miles make both taxi cost us the same way. Step 3. Solve. Let m be the number of miles. So we can say C1 equals 1.25m plus 2. C2 equals 1m plus 2.25. Now we say 1.25m plus 2 is equal to 1m plus 3.25. First, subtract 1m from both sides. 0.25m plus 2 equals 3.25. Next, subtract 2. 0.25m equals 1.25. Now divide by 0.25. m equals 5. Step 4. Let's check our answers. Easy Rider 1.25 times 5 plus 2 equals 8.25. Luxury Lima 1 times 5 plus 3.25 equals 8.25. So it means both costs are the same. The final answer is the taxi costs the same at 5 miles. Thank you for watching.